Hey guys, welcome to our show Startup Decoding for your weekly dose of startup news. Let's sum up what we're gonna talk about today. So starting with our first headline, PayPal imposed rupees 96 lakhs penalty by FIU for anti-money laundering law. Payroll platform Squad raises $4 million in seed round from BNext and others. Chat platform Discord raises $100 million, hits 140 million monthly users. Yuvraj Singh Beckett healthcare startup well-versed acquires SportFit, and SEBI gives green light to fintech startups for launching mutual funds. So starting with PayPal, New Delhi American online payment gateway giant PayPal has been imposed a rupees 96 lakh penalty by the FIU for alleged contravention of the anti-money laundering law and accused of concealing suspect financial transactions and abetting disintegration of India's financial system. PayPal, which began India operations in November 2017, said it was fully committed to follow due processes and is carefully reviewing the matter. Going with our second headline, Squad, a global employment platform to hire, pay and manage globally distributed teams on Monday, announced it has raised $4 million in a seed round. The funding came from global venture capitals from BNext and Enthmes Group alongside Alto Partners Multifamily Office and Rohan Monga, CEO of Zenius Education, among others. The platform, which is currently being used by companies in countries across Southeast Asia, Africa, and North America, plans to use the funds to grow its remote employment infrastructure and scale its growth team in multiple geographies. Next up is Discord. New Delhi chat and communication platform Discord has raised $100 million in its latest H round of funding as it reached 140 million monthly active users, double the number it had a year ago, the media reported. According to a report in TechCrunch, the new funding came at a $7 billion valuation for Discord, also double its valuation just 6 months ago. Let's talk about Wellversed. Delhi-based healthcare and nutrition startup Wellversed has acquired SportFit, a fitness coaching company, for an undisclosed amount. Wellversed was founded in 2018 by Anand Kurma, Aditya Seth, and Rapunjit Chachan. It enables the production of customized clinical food products specific to the health requirements of demography or an individual. The startup is backed by investors such as Yuvraj Singh's YWC Venture Capital, KLUB Works, Shankar Narayan, Alok Mittal, Govind Rajan, among others. And the last one, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is, SEBI, has relaxed the norms to allow fintech startups and other entities to enter the mutual fund business. Until now, the regulator required entrants to have 5 years of experience in the financial services business and demonstrate 3 years of profitability and to maintain a net worth of INR 50 crore. However, SEBI has now evolved these norms. So guys, this was it in our today's show. Hope you liked it. We'll be back with another great news next week. Thank you so much, have a great day, and also don't forget to follow our show.